Sure. Here are some sample interview questions and answers related to the data link layer in computer networking. Q. Can you describe the main functions of the data link layer in a computer network? A. The main functions of the data link layer in a computer network include providing reliable delivery of data across a link by adding error detection and correction mechanisms, establishing, maintaining, and terminating communication sessions between devices on a link, controlling the flow of data across a link to prevent overloading and ensure efficient use of resources, providing addressing and identification mechanisms to enable devices on a link to communicate with each other. Q. How does the data link layer ensure reliable data transmission? A. The data link layer ensures reliable data transmission by adding error detection and correction mechanisms to the data being transmitted. This can include using checksums or cyclic redundancy checks, CRCs, to detect errors, and using techniques such as retransmission or forward error correction, FEC, to correct errors. The data link layer may also use flow control mechanisms to prevent overloading the receiving device and ensure that it can keep up with the data being transmitted. Q. Can you describe a protocol used at the data link layer? A. One example of a protocol used at the data link layer is the Media Access Control (MAC) protocol, which is used in Ethernet networks. The MAC protocol is responsible for controlling access to the shared communication medium, e.g. the network cable, ensuring that only one device can transmit at a time and resolving any conflicts that may arise. It also defines the format of the MAC addresses used to identify devices on the network. Q. How does the data link layer support communication between devices on a network? A. The data link layer supports communication between devices on a network by establishing, maintaining, and terminating communication sessions between them. This may involve exchanging control messages to establish a connection, exchanging data, and then releasing the connection when communication is no longer needed. The data link layer may also provide addressing and identification mechanisms to enable devices to identify and address each other, and to route data to the correct destination.